Today we embark on a journey to explore the breathtaking scenery of Macedonia, a hidden gem in Europe. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Macedonia is a dazzling blend of ancient history and stunning landscapes. This remarkable land boasts a unique geographical location, bordered by 5 countries, each influencing its rich cultural tapestry. Our journey will take us through an array of diverse sceneries, from pristine lakes mirroring the azure sky to rugged mountain ranges that kiss the clouds. We'll meander through ancient stone towns, their history etched into every crevice, and plunge into deep canyons where the river's song serenades the wild flora. Macedonia's scenery is a feast for the senses, a symphony of colors and textures, a dance between the past and the present. Each corner of this country offers a new adventure, a new story to tell. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the untouched beauty of Macedonia's landscapes. Our first stop is Lake Ohrid, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a stunning visual treat. Imagine a body of water so deep it's said to reach the very heart of the earth, and so clear, you could count the pebbles that line its floor. This is Lake Ohrid, the deepest lake of the Balkans, with depths reaching over 900 feet. It's not just the depth of this lake that's impressive, it's also one of the oldest lakes in the world, estimated to be over 3 million years old. Lake Ohrid is a treasure trove of biodiversity, hosting more than 200 endemic species. From the Ohrid trout that dance below the water surface to the seagulls that glide gracefully above, the lake is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. The flora and fauna here are so unique that they can't be found anywhere else in the world. But it's not just nature that makes Lake Ohrid special. The area around this majestic lake is steeped in history. The city of Ohrid, situated on its shores, is one of the oldest human settlements in Europe. With its ancient churches, traditional houses, and fortress that overlooks the lake, Ohrid City is a living museum that narrates a tale of civilization dating back to the Bronze Age. Did you know that the lake is often referred to as Macedonia's freshwater sea? And it's not hard to see why. The vast, mirror-like expanse of the lake, fringed by towering mountains, has a captivating allure that rivals any seaside landscape. Lake Ohrid is not just a place, it's an experience. It's a place where you can lose yourself in nature's grandeur, immerse yourself in the richness of history, and bask in the tranquility that permeates the air. Witnessing the sunset here at Lake Ohrid is truly a sight to behold, creating a picturesque memory that will last a lifetime. Next, we venture into the wild beauty of Matka Canyon, a spectacular natural wonder. Nestled in the heart of Macedonia, Matka Canyon is an awe-inspiring sight to behold. Picture this: towering rugged cliffs draped in verdant greenery, standing sentinel over the tranquil Treska River that snakes its way through the canyon's heart. But the canyon's beauty doesn't stop at the surface. Beneath these soaring cliffs lies a subterranean world of mystery and intrigue. Matka is home to over 20 caves, each one a hidden gem waiting to be explored. The most famous of these is the Vrelo Cave, known not just for its stunning stalactite formations but also for its depth. It's one of the deepest underwater caves in the world, making it a mecca for cave divers from around the globe. Now, if you're more of a landlubber, don't worry. There's plenty for you to do at Matka too. The canyon's rugged terrain makes it a hiker's paradise. Trails crisscross the area, leading you through lush forests, past babbling brooks, and up to breathtaking viewpoints. If you're lucky, you might even spot some of the local wildlife. For those who seek a more leisurely pace, why not take to the waters of the Treska River? Boating is a popular way to explore the canyon, and it's not hard to see why. As you glide along the river, you're treated to stunning views of the cliffs above and the clear waters below. It's an experience that's both tranquil and exhilarating. The beauty of Matka Canyon is that it's not just a place to see, it's a place to do. Whether you're scaling the cliffs, exploring the caves, hiking the trails, or cruising down the river, there's always an adventure waiting around the corner. Matka Canyon is truly a paradise for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. So if you're ever in Macedonia, make sure you don't miss the chance to experience this extraordinary natural wonder. Leaving the wilderness behind, we arrive at the stone town of Prilep, a testament to Macedonia's rich history. Nestled in the heart of the country, Prilep, often referred to as the city under Marco's towers, is a delightful showcase of the Macedonia's past. This city is a remarkable confluence of the old and the new, where modern life unfolds amidst a backdrop of ancient ruins and timeless traditions. Prilep's unique architectural style is a sight to behold. The city is adorned with buildings that bear the unmistakable influence of the Ottoman era, alongside structures that echo the Byzantine period. creating a fascinating blend of styles. The stone houses with their distinctive white facades are a charming feature of Prilep's cityscape. Let's not forget the ancient ruins that add a layer of mystery and allure to this captivating city. The most prominent among these is the King Marco's Towers, a fortress that dates back to the Middle Ages and stands as a symbol of the city's historical significance. The ruins of this fortress, perched atop a hill, provide a panoramic view of Prilep and its surrounding landscapes. Now, imagine standing on that hilltop, the wind gently brushing against your face as you take in the breathtaking view. From up here, Prilep is a sea of white rooftops set against the backdrop of craggy hills and clear blue skies. It's a sight that is sure to leave you in awe of the city's natural beauty. But Prilep isn't just about stunning architecture and scenic views, it's a city that thrives on its rich cultural heritage. The city hosts the annual Prilep International Theater Festival, attracting artists and theater enthusiasts from around the world. It's a vibrant celebration of theater and culture that adds to Prilep's charm. Prilep is also known for its tobacco and beer production, offering unique experiences for those interested in understanding the city's industrial side. The stone town of Prilep is a perfect blend of history and nature, making it a must-visit destination in Macedonia. From its ancient ruins, to its distinctive architecture, and from its scenic views to its cultural festivals, Prilep is a city that promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of Macedonia. Our final destination is the majestic Mount Korab, the highest peak in Macedonia. A towering testament to nature's grandeur, Mount Korab stretches to the sky, reaching a staggering height of over 9,000 feet. This giant, standing tall amidst the clouds, is a sight that will leave you breathless. Mount Korab isn't just a paradise for mountaineers and adventure seekers, it's also a vibrant ecosystem, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. As you ascend the mountain, you'll pass through lush forests of beech, fir, and pine, their green hues a stark contrast against the clear blue sky. These woodlands are a haven for wildlife, hosting species such as the Balkan lynx, a wild cat that is as elusive as it is beautiful. Once you've navigated the woodland, you'll emerge into a world of alpine meadows, their vibrant wildflowers painting the landscape with a riot of colors. Here, in these high-altitude pastures, you'll find herds of chamois, a goat antelope native to the European mountains. Their graceful movements and agile leaps are a sight to behold. The journey to Mount Korab's peak is not for the faint-hearted. It's a challenging hike, demanding both physical stamina and mental grit. But the rewards are worth every ounce of effort. From the summit, you'll be treated to an awe-inspiring panorama of Macedonia's landscapes. The verdant valleys, sparkling lakes, and rolling hills stretch out below, a patchwork quilt of natural beauty. For those of you who wish to conquer this mountain, remember to prepare adequately. Pack plenty of water and high-energy snacks, and don't forget your camera. The views you'll encounter are ones you'll want to remember forever. Standing atop Mount Korab, one can truly appreciate the unparalleled beauty of Macedonia's landscapes. This is an experience that encapsulates the spirit of adventure, the thrill of exploration, and the serenity that comes from immersing oneself in nature's magnificence. It's a journey that will leave you with memories to cherish and stories to tell. Our journey through Macedonia's stunning landscapes comes to an end, but the exploration doesn't stop here. We've traversed the serene shores of Lake Ohrid, navigated the rugged wilderness of Matka Canyon, roamed the ancient stone town of Prilep, and scaled the towering heights of Mount Korab. Each destination, a testament to the incredible diversity that Macedonia's scenery offers. Breathtaking, isn't it? Now we pass the compass to you. Are there any other scenic spots in Europe you'd love us to feature? The Scottish Highlands? The sun-drenched coast of the Mediterranean? The awe-inspiring fjords of Norway? Let your curiosity guide you and drop your suggestions in the comment section below. As we continue to discover the world together, your support matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel content. Safe travels, everyone.